Exercise 10.2, problem number 4. 3 jobs A, B and C. One to be assigned to 3 missions U, V and W. The processing cost for each job mission combination is shown in the matrix given below. Determine the allocation that minimizes the overall processing cost. So our aim is to calculate the minimizes the overall processing cost. Job is given, the machine is given. So each job can be assigned in each machine is known as an assignment problem. So you have to compute the assignment problem. First A, B, C is jobs, U, V, W are the machines. The cost values are given 17, 25, 31, 10, 25, 16, 12, 14, 11. This is the problem. First, once again write the problem. First we have to compute the row deduction. Row deduction means in each and every row we have to take the minimum value. So in the first row 17, 25, 31. So 17 is a minimum value. So all the values are, all the first row values are diminishing by 17. So 17 minus 17 is 0. 25 minus 17 is 8. 31 minus 17 is 14. First row is over. Second row minimum is 10. So 10 minus 10 is 0. 25 minus 10, 15. 16 minus 10, 6. The third row, 11 is a minimum value. So 11 minus 11 is 0. 12 minus 11, 1. 14 minus 11 is 3. First we have to check each row is equal to each column. In this assignment problem, row is equal to column. So in this problem is 3 by 3 matrix. So 3 rows and 3 columns. This is the balanced assignment problem. So row reduction is over. Next we have to concentrate the column reduction. So we once again consider this row reduction matrix. Again we have to concentrate each and every column. The first column we have to see the minimum value. So in the first column 0 is the minimum value. So we have to put 0, 0 and 1. 0 is a minimum. So every value 0 is 0, 0 is 0. So again 1 minus 0 is 1. Okay. Again we have to concentrate the second column. 3 is the minimum value. So 3 minus 3 is 0. 8 minus 3 is 5. 15 minus 3 is 12. Next column 0 is the minimum value. So this one is 0. 6 minus 0 is 6. 14 minus 0 is 14. So this is the column reduction. In this step, okay, we have to choose the 0. First we have to concentrate the encircling the 0 and then cross out the 0. So each and every column, every row we have to select single 0. Our aim is to select single 0. So in the first row, we have to concentrate first row. Only one 0 is there. So we have to select this 0. So we have to encircle this 0. Our aim is to take single 0, not to take more than one. Only we have to take single 0. So we have to concentrate the first row. We have to select encircle the 0. Already 0 is selected. So in this row is over. In the column another 0 is there. So already we have choose one 0. So in the corresponding column no other zeros are occur in this column. So we have cross out this 0. So first row we have to take only one 0. So the row and column we got to choose only one 0. So in this first row we got to choose 0. In the corresponding column we have cross out this 0. Again we have to move the second row. Second row is already no 0 is there. So this row is 0 is cross 0 already covered. So this 0 is already covered. This 0 is already covered. Again move to third row is 2 0. Leave it this row, not to take this 0. Our aim is to take only one 0. Again concentrate in the column. This row is encircled. This is crossed 0. So these two are enclosed. So not to take this column. Again move to next column. 5 12 0. So only one 0 is there. So we have to select this 0. In the corresponding row another 0 is there. So we have to cross out this 0. So our aim is to cover all the zeros. Okay, so next we have to draw the minimum number of lines through encircle and crossed 0. Our aim is to take the line through encircle and crossed 0. So in the step is over. Next we have to concentrate. First 0 is encircle. This one is crossed 0. Again this one is encircle. This one is crossed 0. So first our aim is to draw the straight line through encircle as well as the crossed 0. So in this first row only encircle 0. So leave it. Second row only cross 0. Leave it. Third row one encircle 0 and crossed 0. So we have to draw one dotted line for this line in this problem. Third row. Again let us move to row is over. Again move to column. Column one encircle 0, one cross out 0 left out. So we have to draw one line. Remaining no zeros are there, so not to cover. Only you should cover through encircle 0 and cross 0. So this is also encircle 0 and cross 0. So only two lines are covered. But in the given matrix is 3 by 3. But our in this step only two lines are covered 0. So 2 is less than 3. Our aim is 3 is equal to 3. Answer is over. This problem is optimal. But lines are 2, but 3 rows and 3 columns. But this problem is not optimal. Go to next step. Left out the elements are subtracting by minimum value 5. Add in terminals. Listen. So our aim is 3 rows and columns, exactly 3 lines means problem is over. But 2 lines only covered. So this problem is not optimal. Go to next step. So in this step 4 values are left out in this assignment. So these 2 rows and columns are covered, but this is uncovered elements. So uncovered elements are 5, 14, 12, 6. In the uncovered elements, which one is the minimum value? 5 is the minimum value. So we have to choose 5. All the values are diminishing by 5. So listen. So we have to choose minimum value 5. 0 is already covered. So we have to put 0. 5. So 5 minus 5 is 0. 5 is the minimum value. So this 5 can be subtracting by 5 is 0. Again 14 minus 5, 9. This 0 is already covered, so we have to put 0. Again 12 minus 5, 7. 6 minus 5, 1. These values are already covered, but a 1 is taken in this terminal. So suppose this is the terminal. Suppose in the terminal we have to add 5. remaining values we have subtracting by 5, but in the terminal we have to add 5. So already 1 in this terminal, so 1 plus 5 is 6. 1 plus 5 is 6. So 1 is the terminal, so 6. 0 is already covered, so we put 0. 0 is already covered, put 0. Next line. Again we have to choose 0 in the first row, second row. First row, 2 zeros are there. First row, the 2 zeros are there. So leave it this row. Second row, only 1 0 is there. So we have encircle the 0. The corresponding 0 is cross out. Next we have to move to third row, 2 zeros, leave it this row. Again we have moved to column. This is crossed 0, this encircle 0, these two are covered, no problem. Again go to next column, 2 zeros are there, leave it this column. Again in the next column only 1 0 is there, so we have to select the 0, so cross out the corresponding 0. So already we have crossed out the 0, we have encircle this 0. So cover all zeros. So in this problem, again we have to take a line through encircle as well as cross 0. First we have to concentrate encircle cross 0, so we have to take one dotted line. Second row is single 0, leave it. Third row, encircle cross 0, so we have to draw one dotted line. So in the finally we have to take only 1 0 is encircle. So already we have covered encircle cross and encircle cross. So finally only 1 0 is there. So this can be draw through by terminals. So suppose we have to take line from this manner, not to take terminals. Okay, terminal we have to make many number of terminals. We will get the easy to get the final answer. So suppose we have to cross out in the row wise means not to take the terminal. But suppose we have to cross out in the column wise, automatically we have to take two terminals. So suppose we have to draw through terminals. So we have covered this 0, no problem. So all the zeros are covered. How many lines? Line 1, 2, 3. So 3 equal to 3. This problem is optimal. So 3 lines is equal to 3 rows and 3 columns. So this problem is optimal. So the minimum cost value is, the minimum cost value can be taken as A goes to V. So in this again go to original problem, A goes to V. We have to cover this value 25. A goes to V, and so we have to take the 0 selection. 0 selection is finally we have to select the 0 selection. We have to take encircle 0. So encircle 0, the corresponding 0 is 25. Corresponding 0 value is 25. Again we have to take the next encircle 0 is 0. So the corresponding value is 10. Next we have to take the encircle 0. So the corresponding value is 11. So finally we have to choose only the encircle 0 selection value. So the selection values are this 0 and this 0 and this 0. So the corresponding values are 25 and 10 and 11. So the adding these three values, we will get the final answer. So A goes to V is 25, B goes to U is 10, C goes to W is 11. So adding all the values, the cost values, minimum cost value is 46. Hence the problem.